Mark, please call the Vanderbilts and tell them I'll be late. I've run into a mirror. Oh, wow. Oh. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dandelion and I'm so glad that you could join me today. So as you can see, I have my sister back on my channel and we just finished filming this look, which is a very it's so amazing. This look, I don't even know what to call it, but it's neutral makeup look. I just did a copper eye and it's mostly browns. You guys will see in the rest of the video, but I'm so glad. I've been wanting to do these type of videos where I just have a guest on my channel and I just do their makeup because I really enjoy doing makeup. It's so therapeutic. And so yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this. If you do end up recreating this look and trying it out for yourselves, please don't forget to tag me on my my socials at Dandelion, absolutely everywhere. I would love to see them. And what else? Like, comment, please like, comment and subscribe to my channel. We're already at 100 subscribers and I couldn't be more happy. Like, guys, I love you guys so much and thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. So yet again, I'm doing a voiceover, unfortunately, because I get in the zone when I'm doing makeup on a client. Well, my sister, but yeah, I get in the zone. So I don't want to not make it look perfect because I'm a perfectionist when it comes to makeup. But we added the base, which was the Essence base, which I really enjoy at the moment. And we're going in with this dark brown shade as our transition shade, and we're just making a shape for the eye and we're elongating it and drawing it outwards so that her eyes don't appear small because they are already small. We want to lift the eye. So we're going into this darker brown. And yeah, if you guys don't notice by now, I'm using the Slays for Days palette from Switch Beauty, and we're going in with a round brush and we're just adding more dimension and depth into the eye. And then we're going in with the darkest brown in the palette, which is Uthandi, and with Uthandi we're going to focus that more so on the outer, the V, and bringing it in a little bit. You can't really tell, but I'm going in with a soft hand and we're just blending it out. I ended up going with this copper shimmer shade, which is Amy, because we both didn't know what color we wanted to go for. So I ended up going into this copper rusty sort of orange color, which sort of did well with the look. So we're just packing it on. Basically, you guys can see that we're packing it on. And then I ended up going in with this lighter shade, which is Iman, and with the Iman we're only adding it into the crease to give like this effect. I don't know what to call this effect, but we're doing that. And then we're priming the face, and I'm mixing these two foundations from Black Opal. And I know it looks so sketchy. It looks orange, but the foundations are orange. Trust me, they oxidize. Just trust me. And these people are making so much noise. Like, they can't see that I'm doing something. But we're just putting that on her face and we're going to buff it out. Then I realized I wanted to add some moisture to the skin, so I just spritzed some of the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray, but ibisi pelile. And then I added some of my rose water and filtered water mixture, and we just buffed in the foundation. You guys already know how to buff in the foundation, so that's why I'm and we're adding more where we needed to have more coverage, because I didn't add orange color corrector. Then concealer under the eyes, you already know, and I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me concealer. to do that. And then for the contour, I'm adding one of these Crayolan concealers, and then we'll buff it out using a foundation brush. Like, she already looks snatched. And by the way, I did her brows off camera because they take forever. They take the longest time, and she also knows that her eyebrows take long. That's why she gets so frustrated when she's doing her eyebrows. But I use the Essence eyebrow designer to go into the eyebrows, but I first powdered the eyebrow area first, because she does have oily skin, so we didn't want it to be difficult when we're drawing out when we drawing the eyebrows. So that's why I did that. And we're just blending everything out. I'm going in with a round fluffy brush, and we're just packing in the concealer, pushing it into the skin, and yeah, just carry on watching the blend. I hope you guys also take your time and blend out your concealers, because most of you, well, not most of you, but you just need to take your time. You don't want to go outside with an unblended makeup look, and that's precisely why when I'm finished blending out the concealers, I go in back with my foundation brush and just buff everything into each other, for that specific reason, so that it looks blended and snatched. Also, let me know down below if you guys actually enjoy seeing me do makeup on someone else, like these transformation videos. Next time, I'll be sure to do like the whole nine yards, including the hair styling and the makeup and whatnot. But I'm actually going in with my what is this, RCMA no color powder. You guys would have seen it in a previous video, and we're just packing that on with the same brush that we used to blend out the concealer. And what that's gonna do is gonna make the makeup last longer. It's not gonna dry out the under eye, and it's also not gonna give you that cakey look with the makeup. So that's why I'm just packing it into the skin, and that's precisely why I didn't use too much product, like too much foundation and concealers and stuff like that underneath her eye. We still want to look natural but beat and airbrushed and all of that good stuff. Now we're going into the contour and carving out and making things look sharp and snatched. I'm using my NYX palette, my NYX contour professional contour palette, and we're just contouring her, not too much, but I realized that the contour was a bit harsh, but we fixed it in the end. Everything came together, and we're just placing that in the hollows of her cheek, on her forehead, and a little bit on her nose, and just making everything snatched and nice. Let me tell you something, my phone started acting up again. So there's some clips missing, but I added blush from that pink blush that I always use in my videos, which I love, and we're just buffing the everything together. Right now I'm using the Fit Me powder from Maybelline, and we're just buffing everything into each other to make sure that it's not so harsh and everything is blended together. And I purposefully did this before the highlighter so that the highlighter could pop more. And for highlighter, we are using the Switch Beauty Glowgasm palette. I really enjoy this palette, and it's just so good if you have if you're a makeup artist. It's good to have in your kit so that you have different shades to use on all different skin tones. And for highlights, we didn't do too much. Like, it's subtle, but it's glowing. Yabo. How our highlighters are supposed to be looking subtle, but like, it looks so good. I added lashes and mascara off camera because the lashes were quite a struggle today because my lash glue ran out and I was using that Allure lash glue and it's the worst glue. It's the worst glue. And then yeah, just doing the lips, and then I'm gonna spray her face with our setting spray. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. And comment down below if you enjoy these videos, and tag me if you try these looks, because I want to see if you guys are actually improving by watching my videos. So yes, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Yo, 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 yo.